Cynful Bruschetta salad. It's really simple to make this very simple and tasty salad. All you need are these things. Start out by taking your tomatoes off the vine, and we're going to cut them in half. We're going to make sure you get all of the little ends and pieces of stem and leaves off. And just take them all off. We're using a serrated knife to cut these in half, so basically take your serrated bread knife and put your hand on top, put a little pressure, and then just cut right through. Try to get to the middle as best you can. No, I didn't cut myself here. I had a seed on it and it itched. We're going to crush some garlic into the bowl. Take the back end of your knife and go ahead and knock the stuff that's kind of clinging to your garlic press. And then we're going to add some Italian dressing. Stir it up. Get those tomatoes coated so that the basil sticks to them. Now, they didn't have any fresh basil at the grocery store when I went, so I had to use dry basil. You can use either one. If you're using fresh, just tear the leaves in and then just stir it up. Put it in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes or however long you need to. Let those things marry. Then go ahead and plate it up on your plate. Top it with some Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe. It really, really helps me with the algorithms. Share it as well. And I hope you guys have a blessed day.